Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking to breathe new life into your hoverboard, this is the solution right here. This is the hoverboard seat attachment from yabbay. Now this thing is awesome. It basically turns your hoverboard into a go-kart. So much fun. So yes, the hoverboard is fun on its own, but it does get old for some kids. So this will make your hoverboard as exciting as the first day you got it. So it's a simple install and it fits all kinds of sizes of hoverboards. So look at the listing to make sure it fits your sizing, but it went on very easily. It's got a nice big seat. So my son is 13, but even adults can fit in this. I think they said the weight rating is 220 pounds. So fun for the whole family. Now this is designed for smooth surfaces. So of course, indoor use is best, or on pavement or a flat surface outdoors would be just fine. It's really easy to use. It has these really nice soft handles on it. Pushing down will go forward, pushing up on one side and down on the other will turn in either direction, and then of course pulling up very gently so you don't tip will slow you right down. It doesn't take long to catch on to how to use this. My son was on it and using it within minutes. It's got an adjustable bar, so depending on the height of the child or adult using it, you can adjust. So we're really pleased with it. The quality is wonderful. It's held up to our abuse. So I'd say this is an excellent product for you or for your kids. If you've already invested in a hoverboard, this will just take it up to the next level, and that's my point of view.